If you are not using TikTok to promote your products or services, you are missing out on a huge opportunity. It is pretty easy to get followers, gain sales and leads for your business by using the right video strategies. So in today's video, I'll be sharing my exact 5 steps to create viral videos that actually get you sales on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is May, and on this channel, I aim to help online entrepreneurs grow their online business and create a massive online income. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. For the past 2 years, I have been actively creating TikTok videos for brands as well as for my own branding, and I've discovered a formula to not just go viral but to also convert into sales. I have been experimenting this formula on different types of products and services as well as on different niches. I have formulated this into 5 simple steps so you can implement them on your short form TikTok videos. And I hope that these 5 steps are able to turn your 1-minute TikTok video into sales. Make sure that you follow all the 5 steps because these steps are able to help you not just get sales but to help you to get sales fast as well. So recently I've posted a TikTok shop product video, and this is the product, which is the gaming chair. I woke up seeing tons of views as well as sales. So for easy demonstration, I'm going to use this product video to illustrate my 5 steps. Step 1 is filming of the content. So what I like to do is I will film the product from different angles and get a few shots. If the product is a small product, I can use close-ups. And for this example, the few clips that I film is the installation process, a demonstration of how I use it, as well as some close-up shots of the components. So my tip for you is to film as many variety of clips as possible, because we can also use these clips for the second or the third product video. Especially if this product is a very sellable product, you do not need to refilm again next time. So this gaming chair is actually meant for my son, so I filmed a few clips of my son using it. Step number 2 is very important, and that is to think of a good storyline. Every time when I receive a product sample from TikTok shop, what I like to do is to identify the benefits of using the product. So for this gaming chair, one of the benefits is that it is very comfortable and it comes with a leg rest. So this is something very unique, and I want to highlight the comfort as well as the price, and also highlighting the leg rest because this is something that other gaming chair do not have. Here's another tip for you. When you want to highlight the unique selling point of the product, try to highlight the benefits instead of the features. So the features can be like it is a leather or a fabric material. These are considered as features. So always highlight in your product video what your viewers want to see and let them imagine how nice it is to own this product. Step number 3 is to find highly searched topics related to the product. On the TikTok search bar, key in the product name. So for this example, I'm going to key in office chair. As I key in the term office chair, there is a list of results which shows the keywords that are often searched by the audience. So this office chair ergonomic caught my eye because one of the features of this product is the ergonomical design, and this is one of the unique selling point of this product. When I click on this office chair ergonomic term, it will bring me to more results. And this best budget ergonomic chair is something that I want to do on my video because anything to do with pricing is going to capture people's attention, because this office chair is pretty affordable and I want to highlight it on my video. So there are many search terms that used by different audience. So in that case, what we need to do is to try another different type of search term. So for me, I use the search term gaming chair to see what are the results and what are the keywords that are commonly used related to office chair. The outlook of this chair is giving gaming chair. So I key in gaming chair and I realized that gaming chair with footrest is something very popular. This search term has been searched by many people and it's a very popular keyword. So with this simple research, I've concluded that I will be highlighting this gaming chair with footrest as well as a best affordable gaming chair on my video. Step number 4 is to think of a good hook. A hook is something that captures your audience attention in the first 3 seconds of your video. So it can be a spoken hook, a text hook, a sound hook or even a video hook. I like to use text hook because this is one of the most effective hook that I've experimented, and it works every single time. Ever since I've discovered this hook strategy, I will not post another TikTok video without using a hook because it is so effective to capture your audience attention, and I have a library of hooks to refer to every time I create contents. So I have been collecting good hooks and compiling them into PDF. So I offer these free 160 hooks for those of you who join my Turn Views to Revenue program. This TikTok program consists of my viral system online course as well as my one-to-one consultation. I'm currently offering this TikTok program at $297 and the promotion is going to end of this month. This is a membership program whereby if you join now, you'll be able to access all the future classes that I'll be conducting. One of the upcoming masterclass that I'll be conducting is going to be held end of October, and it is on persuasive edits. In this live masterclass, you'll be learning the video editing strategies that help you create videos that do the selling for you. This live masterclass is a 2-day event and it is worth $497. So if you secure the offer of $297 by end of July, you'll be only paying $297. You'll be able to access the future classes as well as the viral system online course and the one-to-one free consultation with me. If you have any questions regarding this View to Revenue program, you can email me at contact@mayeng.co. Now let's go back to the hook. A good hook needs to have elements that create curiosity or triggers emotions. For this product video, the hook that I used was something that creates curiosity. I used a text hook for my video.
My son is revising for PSLE and this happens.
I thought you're revising your work.
It's a bad idea to give him such a relaxing chair. Maybe I should use it instead and give him back after PSLE.
Step number 5 is to add a relatable sound. Using music to enhance the emotional impact is very effective to capture the attention of your audience. This makes the video much more interesting to watch. So since my video is funny, not very funny kind of vibe, I decided to use a very cheeky music, and this helps to further bring out the funny vibe of the whole video. This is the exact 5 steps that I implement on every of my product video, and I'm confident that it will help your video go viral as well. Do let me know in the comments if you have any questions regarding today's video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!